Shit, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Al the DJ, and as always, we got another gig log. Now, this video you guys about to see was actually another wedding, and it was at the couple's house. They had their wedding at their home. It was a dope fun wedding. They were actually Jamaicans. They were Haitian. Excuse me, they were Haitian. But the reason why I said Jamaican was because this was like the latest Haitian / Jamaican / Afrobeat wedding you will ever be. It was super fun. The crowd was super into it. The reception took place in the backyard. They had the pool out there. Yeah, this was super fun, man. So check it out. So obviously this wedding was an outdoor wedding, and the reason you guys see this plastic bag on top of the speaker is because it was raining, and it was raining all day. The weather was nasty, it was windy, it was rainy, it was cold. So the ceremony took place in the couple's living room, and the first dance, the parents dance, all that took place out here, and it was nasty at that time. So the first half of the wedding, crazy rain, ridiculous amount of rain. But by the second half of the wedding, when they were ready to party and ready to turn up, it was like the skies opened up, and they had a great time. As far as setup goes, this was probably the easiest setup I had in my DJ career. So being that it was raining and it was wet, I couldn't bring the facade out, so I left the facade in the car. And so what we did was I set up the two JBL PRXs. One of them was actually inside being used for the ceremony. I have my SB3, of course, laptop, and that was about it. That was the setup for the night. 2 microphones, and we were good, ready to rock and roll.
The two of you learn how to work with one another, not based upon what other people say, but based upon how the two of you are united. People outside of the house will always try to give you advice. Your wedded husband, to love and to cherish, for better or for worse, sickness or health, richer or richer, richer or poor. Good times and bad times. Through their You could let your picture.
Alright guys, before y'all make fun of my couple, this was a dance they created. This was meant to be fun and silly and goofy, so don't make fun of them. This was dope. This was dope. You had to be there.
Character dirty, tell you just a act too flirty, you run to Tom Dick and also hurry, and when you find your mistake, you talk about you sorry, come now. Have a cozy corner where she jokes and where she jam, she know about Luke, like an every money man. Make love with a coolie Chinese, white man and Indian, the wickedest kind of girl that miss a flyer. Who welcome gas, leave what that you leave.
need alteration. You took my heart, and my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But why you gotta act like nothing's wrong? Just get ready for work, 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 work. You see me happy, work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. There's something about that work, 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 work.
Doing shit you don't even see him move. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard head, but her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, told her plank on it. You are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Now you want chills. Just put bubbly in the tools. It's not getting out for me since I've been with you.
My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, yo. Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby. No do, gotta for me. No do, said I know. No do, shakara, oh. Stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the path.